Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings pop? Let's be honest. First impressions matter. Buyers form their opinions within seconds, so how do you ensure they walk into a home that wows? Meet TidyTex Home Cleaning, your secret weapon in San Antonio. As a proud veteran-owned service, we specialize in giving homes that extra shine that turns interest into offers. With our flexible, professional cleaning services, we help you prepare properties for open houses and showings. Imagine a spotless space where every corner gleams and the air smells fresh, exactly what buyers dream of. We understand the urgency, and that's why we offer quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings are ready in no time. Here's a quick tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A bright, welcoming space invites buyers to envision their future here. At TidyTex, we don't just clean, we create an atmosphere that helps close deals faster. Ready to elevate your sales game? Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email to contact us today. Let's make your listings irresistible together.